How to link your people with Whatnot. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you'd like to link your people with Whatnot, you may follow up the steps. So open up the Whatnot application, open it up, and once you open it up, you should be finding this interface once you are logged in. So in order to link your PayPal, you need to look out for payments and shipping section, which is usually located in the account tab. So look out for the account tab, which is in the bottom right corner, tap on it, and you will be taken to account pays with different options available. So look out for the option called payments and shipping from the account settings and tap on it. And when you tap on it, here you will be finding different options. Look out for the option called payment method. Tap on the pencil icon next to add payment method, like this. Now, once you add it up, you can basically select up the option called PayPal, tap on it, and you will be redirected to the PayPal page. So you can just wait for this page to load up, tap PayPal, and then you will be redirected to the paypal.com page, the website. Now you need to confirm linking or unlinking of your account. Here, just go ahead and provide your PayPal credentials, and once that is done, you confirm the linking. The PayPal will be connected to your Whatnot, and you can use that as payment method for sellers, like for purchases in your Whatnot. So therefore, you may follow this method if you would like to link your PayPal with Whatnot. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.